So many of you have already been a part of it, and we want to say thank you. Lots of folks in this community are a part of the partnership of being in the 20 Days of Giving.
It's amazing the response Toys for Tots year in and year out. This year is no different. We're going out to Rob Fowler now. We are in the middle of this 20 Days of Giving, and really the response has been amazing this year, Rob.
It really has. I mean, as we gave you the toy count, I just got that from the staff sergeant. Over 23,568 toys so far. That's a lot of smiles on Christmas morning. And we really couldn't do it without our partners in our 20 Days of Giving. We're here at Closets by Design in North Charleston. Let me bring in Troy and Dina Brown, the owners of Closets by Design. And thank you guys for letting us come on by and be a part of this. You're off to a great start, Dina, already.
Thank you. Thank you. We didn't quite pull off what Boeing did, but we're trying our best.
That's okay. Every toy counts. Every toy makes a difference. And Troy, you guys are fairly new to the Low Country. Is that true?
Well, we're new to business here. We've had a home here for 14 years, but we are embracing the Charleston lifestyle. It's great.
So toys are so very important. Obviously, can you imagine not waking up to a toy on Christmas morning? And that's where this program comes in. So we can't thank you guys enough for helping us out.
Thank you for having us.
And I know you guys are doing something in the back, too. You don't just help Toys for Tots. You help a lot of community events and causes here in this area.
Well, we do. Dina's had a vision for quite a long time. She has a ministry that we've had for several years now, and we support different families. That particular operation back there is for 60 kids, actually in Lancaster, South Carolina, that they'll get a distribution this weekend. So it's near and dear to our heart to continue to give and support our community.
All right, Dina, quickly, how can we find you guys if someone wanted to drop by a toy? I know you follow the signs. You guys have signs all along the road. That's pretty cool.
We're at 7268 Investment Drive in North Charleston, right off Ashley Phosphate.
Okay, we'll find you for sure. Thank you, guys. And we're here at Closets by Design in North Charleston, and we are collecting Toys for Tots. This is one of our drop-off locations. We encourage you to come on by if you can and say hello. We're going to say hello to Connor and Troy Brown. You met Troy a little earlier. This is son Connor, and welcome again. Thank you guys for helping us out with Toys for Tots.
Yeah, thank you for having us.
It's you've already got a good start, Troy, and again, you've got a lot of elves back there working on another project, but when they're not wrapping presents, what do you guys do? What do you, obviously you want folks to come in and say hello and see what you guys do.
Well, we do. Closets by Design, we are a custom company that does closets. We do pantries, we do garages, we do offices and homes. There's a lot of things we do. The name doesn't always reflect what it is we do, but it's very custom. And we love that because one of the things we're able to do is meet any budget. It's really a fantastic opportunity in the day of organizing your home.
And what's really cool is, you know, the community's been good to you, community, and you're helping out with Toys for Tots. We thank you guys.
Yeah, absolutely. Every little bit helps, so we want to do our part for the community and give to needy kids. So we want to do our part.
I like the one, there's a display over here, has cereal, and my favorite cereal is over there. Can I take that box? Or?
Absolutely.
Probably nothing in it, is there?
No, nothing at all. But you can take it if you want.
Just kidding. But anyway, Toys for Tots, 20 Days of Giving. Thank you, gentlemen, for helping us out. We really appreciate it. Guys, yeah, these are the nicest folks here. They're making us feel very welcome. Look at this. They even made stockings for WCBD. CBD stands for Charleston, Wait a second. What, Troy?
The CBD is for Closets by Design. I hate to
It's not WCBD?
It is not. It's for Closets by Design, but thank you for liking it anyway.
I love those call letters. And for us, it stands for Charleston, Berkeley, Dorchester. For you, it's Closets by Design. Thank you guys, Troy, for letting us come on by and help out 20 Days of Giving and Toys for Tots.
Well, you know what? This is truly a privilege. It's not just a promotion. It's a privilege to be a part of this. Obviously, you told us earlier that you've been doing this for 30 years. That is a commitment. And we appreciate commitment because that's who we are. That's who we are as a family. That's who we are as a company. So thank you. We appreciate being a part of this.
Well, tell us how we can find you guys.
Well, you can find us on Closets by Design, www.closetbydesign.com. You can call us. Our number is 843-225-6725. You can come by. We're over here in North Charleston, 7268 Investment Drive, North Charleston, off of Ashley Phosphate. We'd love to have you. That's why we're here, to serve our community. So thank you.
You got a wonderful staff, family members behind us. You guys have a special message?
Merry Christmas!
You can ring the bell better than that. There we go. Ring the bell for a sale, right? But for tonight, it's for Toys for Tots.
It is for Toys for Tots. What a great cause. And it's just, like I said, a privilege to be a part of it. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you, Troy. All right, thank you guys as well, men and ladies over there.